What's good, y'all? It's Cass. Welcome to my channel. If you guys want to talk all about DIY content creation, if you're OG, welcome back. Today you guys are talking all about how to shoot at night. So I'm gonna go over 3 different ways that you guys can shoot at night and get pretty cool pictures like these. So the first way that I want to go with you guys, this is the freest way, the cheapest way, is to use available lighting. So whatever you got, if there's a street lamp, if you have the flashlight on your iPhone, just anything that's there that's available, that's already in the scene. If you guys have ever seen my How to Light Your Photos video, I have 2, part 1 and 2. There's different methods that you guys can use and you can look at for just available lighting that's already there in the area where you're shooting. So option uno. The second one, you guys, is the actual flash on your camera. So whether you're using your camera or your phone, you can use that flash. If you're using your phone, I suggest getting pretty close so that you can really light the subject, but using the flash can really illuminate the subject, just depending on, you know, the background and the subject in correlation with each other. But these are some photos that I took one time with the flash and they came out really cool. It was literally pitch black on that shoot, but I still really enjoyed how the photos came out. Jenna and I are headed into the great outdoors. I'm just gonna Photoshop this portion. What's that on the door?
It's a bed.
Yeah, but it's small. Why did I agree to this? That was my idea. Okay, so out in the backyard we're going to do a nighttime pool shoot. So I'll get you guys set up to watch because we're trying to make this quick. And then the last way, you guys, split into 2 parts, is actual artificial lighting. Of course, you can get portable lights that have their own, you know, battery attached. You charge them, you bring them out. I have a little LED portable light that does really beautiful pictures that I use a lot whenever I'm shooting at night. Or you can just get a really long extension cord and connect lights if they're not portable. I do that a lot as well. So those are just some options for some artificial lighting. But those are different ways you guys can light at night in the dark, because you can get some really cool looks that way. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Your girl is out. Love y'all.